Hello everyone. Welcome to the Ministry of Education's Meal Management Program. This system helps you manage your child's nutrition. Free meals, snacks, and drinks are provided daily in government schools. With this program, you can view menus, pre-order meals, and track your child's nutrition. To begin, visit myschoolpos.com. On the top right, you will see two options, Sign Up and Sign In. If you are new, click Sign Up, choose the parent option, and enter your full name, your registered email address, your contact number, and a strong password. Click Sign Up. You will then receive an email with your credentials. If it does not appear, please check your spam folder. Once signed in, you will arrive at your parent dashboard. On the top right, you will see your name. From the menu, select My Profile to update your details. Important note, you do not need to create or add your child's account. Your child's information will already be linked, provided you are using the same email address registered with DES. If your child's record does not appear or shows as inactive, please contact the Ministry of Education at schoolmeals@gov.ky. From the dashboard, you can pre-order meals, snacks, and drinks for your child with one click. There is no cost for these meals. Simply choose your items, add them to your cart, and submit your order. You may also pre-order several days at once using the Week View tab to see the school's weekly meal plan. To check past orders, open the Order History tab. For easier access, you can now download the School Meals app from the Play Store and the Apple Store. Thank you for watching. We look forward to supporting your child's healthy eating journey.